Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm doing another box set that I ordered off of Amazon. And this box set of flowers was $6.99. And I wanted to see what it's all about because for $7, although artificial flowers are inexpensive, $7 does not give you a whole bouquet. So I do like doing box sets because they come already prepared without having to separate the flowers from the bushels, without having to trim off extra leaves. It's got a nice wire stem on it, and there is quite a few flowers in this box set. Although I did end up adding a few of my own at the end, and I'll show you when we get there. My only complaint with this $6.99 box bouquet is that the tops of the heads kept popping off of the stems. So right out the gate, I would take a little bit of hot glue and just glue that connection point where the flower meets the stem right off the rip, unbox it and just give it a little bit of glue, and that problem is solved. As far as the quality of the flowers, it's really pretty good. Different variety of textures, fairly good combination of colors there. It's mostly green. It's got some whites, a little bit of yellow. This would be perfect for a March wedding. And I will put the link to the box set in the description. So I did get that on Amazon. I do get a kickback from Amazon if you purchase it. So if you could use that link, that would be awesome. But just to be warned, it's inexpensive. It makes a nice bouquet, but you do have to do a little maintenance and glue that connection point. So like I was saying, it came with a variety of green colors. Has that one bright yellow mum that I'm going to use as the main focal, but because it does have some white colored flowers in there too, I'm going to also put those white colored flowers more towards the front focal area, but that yellow mum that steals the show. So that definitely has to be in the center if you're doing a little roundy moundy bouquet here. So I worked the stems all together, and now I'm going to tuck in a little bit of the greenery that I had cut, which is a different colored spiral eucalyptus. So I have some that's more of a lime green color and some that's more of a sagey, almost blue tone to it. There was, I keep losing the heads. See, I didn't glue them. So make sure you glue them. But there are some roses in that box set that is more of a sage green color, which I love, but it just gets lost in the bouquet. So I was using those roses more of as a filler to space out the bouquet a bit there. Oh my goodness, yeah, make sure you glue those heads on. But it does make a nice size bouquet, perfect for a March wedding. You have to do a little bit of maintenance, but wow, for $7 for a bouquet, I do recommend it, just because it is a lot of flowers for that price, and having to do a little bit of gluing I don't think is that big of a problem. But once I have it all together, just give it a quick little tie off with some wax flower tape, and there you go. We got ourselves a $6.99 bouquet off of Amazon. All right, thank you so much for watching.